Hello everyone, I'm Taylor, Professional Alchemist, and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up VTS P.O.G with Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly is Amazon TTS service. It's a pay-what-you-use system, which is not that expensive though. Like the charge for each TTS that you generate is not that big. So with all that out of the way, let's get into configuring Amazon Polly itself. First of all, we need to create an account in this site here, link in the description below. This Amazon Web Services, which is in charge of a lot of stuff for Amazon. In this case, also Amazon Polly, which is Amazon's TTS service. We need to put an email here and put a username for the account. With that, we click verify email address. I will send us a verification code to our address in order to validate the account. Once the email has been verified with the code, it will ask us for a password to confirm the account. Here, Amazon will ask you for one of the two plans. So you're going to choose paid plan, but feel free to choose the free plan. It should be fine. It will just automatically cancel instead of start charging you once the free period is over. Keep in mind, you are getting $200 in credits when you create the account. That lasts for a lot for TTS. Here they will ask you for information about your address. After that, they will ask you for your credit card information. Again, this is only going to matter whenever you use the services and whenever you got over the initial credits that you get on account creation. So for a while, this is not going to matter at all. We're almost there. You need to verify your phone here. Lastly, they will ask you for the support plan. Go with basic. You have to wait a few seconds until your account is created, and then we should finally here. Our account is created, and it's time to go and start configuring Amazon Polly finally. We're going to click sync up to console, and our console should be open here. Here in this step, make sure on the top right of the screen over here, you have selected whatever place is closer to you. This is the server that Amazon Polly connects to, and this will affect the delay that you have every time you make a TTS request. On the top left, we're going to type Cognito, and over here we're going to click on grant access to AWS services. Here we're going to click to guest access. I'm going to create a new EIM role. In this case, we're going to just name it VTS P.O.G. We click next, which is under my bat somewhere. I'm going to create a new identity pool name, which we're going to call it also VTS P.O.G. We can leave everything else as is and go to the next part, and we should be good to go. As easy as that. With this step. Here they're going to give us an identity pool ID. It's going to be blurred in the video because this is something you want to keep for yourself. So I highly recommend you copy this and save it somewhere safe, because we're going to use it in one of the next steps. Now in top left, we click EIM. And we're going to go to roles. We're going to select here VTS P.O.G, which is the role we created in the previous step. I'm going to add new permissions to it, which is over here under my head. That button that says add permissions. Here we're going to search for Amazon Polly, and we're going to click Amazon Polly full access. Then add permissions, which is the button under my head here. So with that, we are ready to set it up in VTS P.O.G. We're going to use the code we copied before. It should look something like this. Here, there's a colon at the start of the code. The stuff to the left of the colon is your region, and the stuff to the right is your pool ID. So we go to VTS P.O.G and select Amazon Polly as our TTS of choice. You will see that in VTS P.O.G they ask for your region and your pool ID. We're going to copy, in this case, US East. And I'm going to copy my code. And with that, we just go and do a quick TTS.
P.O.G Online Poggers.
And we should be able to hear our Amazon voice. You can select whatever voice you want from Amazon Polly from here. There are a lot of voices in many languages, so I highly recommend this service. The first couple of months free helps a lot, and you are not going to use the 200 credits. And there we go. Thank you so much everyone for staying with me in this video till here. I hope you have an amazing day, and if you have any further question, feel free to ask in the comments below or in the VTS P.O.G server. Thanks so much everyone, see you guys later, bye bye!